Skid steer financing. Skid steer financing can help a contractor get working without draining cash up front. In Canada, lenders want to know the skid steer's hours, year, condition, attachments, serial number, seller details, price, your down payment, and how the machine will be used. A skid steer for landscaping, snow removal, construction, or site work can make sense when the payment fits the job revenue. If you already found the equipment and have a quote or need funding soon, reach out to us and we could definitely help. And here's where buyers get caught. They focus only on the machine, price, and forget the hours, tires, hydraulics, attachments, and service history. Those details can affect the approval. The takeaway is simple. Show the lender the machine is useful, fairly priced, and supported by cash flow. Now, if you're looking for equipment financing or leasing in Canada, feel free to give us a call at 437-777-5901 or visit us at mehmigroup.com.